Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make chicken salad for muscle gain. This isn't just any chicken salad. It's specifically designed to fuel your body and support your fitness goals. We'll focus on maximizing protein while incorporating healthy fats and fiber. Get ready to learn a simple, delicious, and highly effective recipe that will become a staple in your meal prep routine. Let's dive into the ingredients and preparation steps right away. The foundation of our muscle-building chicken salad is, of course, the chicken. Aim for about 8 ounces of cooked, lean chicken breast, shredded or diced. This provides a substantial amount of protein per serving. To enhance the protein and add a creamy texture without excess fat, incorporate about 1/4 cup of plain Greek yogurt. For an even greater protein punch, consider adding 2 chopped hard-boiled eggs. These additions ensure you're getting a robust protein profile. Beyond protein, healthy fats and fiber are crucial for overall health and satiety. Incorporate about 1/4 of a ripe avocado, diced, for those essential monounsaturated fats. For a satisfying crunch and a boost of fiber, add 1/4 cup of finely chopped celery and 1/4 cup of red onion. A drizzle of 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil not only adds more healthy fats, but also enhances the flavor profile. These components contribute to a well-rounded and nutritious meal. Now for the finishing touches and meal prep convenience. Season your chicken salad with about 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and your favorite fresh herbs like dill or parsley. Mix everything thoroughly until all ingredients are well combined and coated. This recipe yields approximately 2 servings, each packed with protein. For easy meal prep, divide into airtight containers and refrigerate for up to 3 days, ensuring you have a nutritious meal ready to support your muscle gain goals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.